Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and today we have a special guest with us. His name is Rahul Singh from Bihar, from my native place basically, and he recently got selected in Accenture for a package of 11.xx LPA. We will discuss more in detail. He is from 2026 batch. Today he is here. We will come to know, so what are the rounds, like game based round, behavioral round. So each and every round, no, we will go in detail. But anyway, congratulations Rahul for getting selected in Accenture.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so before I bombard you with questions, can you please introduce yourself?
So, hello everyone. So, I am Rahul Kumar. So, as sir told, I am from Bihar. So, currently I am in final year of BTech, and recently I got placed in Accenture with a package of 11.18 LPA.
Mhm.
So, this is all about me.
Okay, great. So can you tell us, like, how this hiring process started, how you come to know that Accenture is hiring. Definitely it's on campus, so from your college, but I wanted to know from the beginning, okay, like, uh, how you applied, where all the exams happened, in center or at home. So, like, more in detail, can you please explain, and what are the rounds?
So, sir,
Yeah.
hmm. So, sir, basically in on campus, they basically focus on some few things. Like during the form fill up or during the application process,
Mm-hmm.
they will basically mainly they will focus on the PAN cards and the personal detail which you are giving.
Mm-hmm.
So during the application process, you should have your PAN card with proper signature and recent photo which you have,
Mm-hmm.
and the updated resume with you. And during fill up, you have to select the preferred location and the remaining details, whatever the things which have we have to mention. So you should have to mention there. And
So
after that,
this was a superset link. Was Accenture hiring through superset, or it was a different link, like Accenture
no, no, sir.
official link?
It was there on website. We have to we
Okay.
came we got the TPO. We got the link from the our TPO office, so we have
Mhm.
to visit the link. So it was on their website only. So there we have to register and proceed
Okay.
with the application.
Okay, got it. Okay, so after, when did you fill the form, and when your exam happened? Can you explain, like, each and every round? How did you prepare, and what all things were asked? What was the time duration? So now the floor is completely yours. So speak whatever you want. If some things, if you want to, speak in Hindi as well, you can also include it. So please, the floor is yours completely.
So, sir, the application process, I think it happens in the month of September. So, we have filled the application form for the Accenture.
Mm-hmm.
So, after that, within few weeks, we got the mail regarding the like our coding and the assessment process.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have given the assessment in October.
Mm-hmm.
October, we have given.
Mm-hmm.
So there in this coding round, we have basically
But
some
first round was cognitive assessment, right? Behavioral and
no, sir.
gaming.
First, yes, sir, behavioral assessment was there. We have 54 questions there. So
Okay.
basically, there they will check what is the that particular candidate is best fit for this role or not. Like they will check your behavior,
Mm.
like in the particular situation, how you will act, what will be your behavioral situation. So
Okay.
they will assess on the basis of that.
Okay. So
There
they
will be 20 minutes.
20
Mhm.
minutes for 54 questions.
54 questions.
Okay.
That will be very easy, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that is
It's
easy, and that
best
is
of
also non-elimination round. So we'll have options like
non-elimination.
a strongly agree, a strongly disagree, agree, disagree.
Yes, sir, like that.
Okay, like that.
Mhm.
Okay. Then we are on the right track. So whatever behavioral assessment is there. Okay. Fine. So that will be non-elimination, right? So 20 minutes and
Mhm.
54 question for the behavioral assessment, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in cognitive
So,
assessment, you tell us, like,
yeah, in cognitive assessment, we have
I mean,
three
game
types
based.
of games, sir.
Game based, yeah.
Game based, sir.
Okay.
So we have to play three types of games. So first
Mhm.
type of game will be there will be a set of values like two, three values. Inside that value, there will be some arithmetic operation like plus operation, and on the basis of that you have to evaluate which balloon has the maximum
Low
values.
to high.
You have to arrange that into
Low
low
to
to
high.
high or high to ascending order. So you have to do that. It will be the first question. There will be,
So there'll be
I
three
think, set of
circles, right?
20 questions.
Okay, there'll be three
Three
circles.
circles, sir.
It's like a set of 20 questions.
Set of 20 questions or
Okay.
25. I don't remember exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we have we call that as a rocket launch. So there will be some arrow given
Mm-hmm.
in jumble format. So you have to arrange that into a right format so that you can reach to that destination
That
from
goal,
a
yeah.
starting point. They will.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to go there, and after going there, that rocket will go get launched. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the second. So in that
Okay.
also
Minimum number
three,
of
I think
steps. Oh, how many questions
yeah,
were there?
minimum number of first.
How many
I
questions?
think three questions were there. Three questions were there. Three or
Okay.
five.
And the
Okay.
timing for
It was
like three types of games are there. So the timings for all the sections are like separate or
it was separate, sir. For all game, the timing was separate. All
okay.
game.
Okay. So for do you remember for
Okay. Individual time.
this bubble game? I mean the first one which you're telling that is bubble game. So do you remember what was the time duration?
I think it was 8 minutes. I don't remember exactly, but
Okay. Okay.
there
Okay.
was time limit for
Yeah. Yeah.
eight
And
minutes,
for
and
even for every
after that,
question also 15 minutes, 15 seconds, 20 seconds like this.
12, 14 seconds, I think. There
14
was
seconds.
individual questions, time duration will be there.
Okay.
And the third gaming was like you have a given key. There will be key, and you have to use that key to. There will be a grid like matrix box will be there. So
Mm-hmm.
there will be one door. So using that key, you have to collect the key, and you have to reach to that destination to open the door. So it can be 3 cross 3 matrix, 4 cross 4 matrix. For some member, it can. For me, I have to collect two key, and I have to reach the destination. So it
How
is
many
also easy.
how many
So,
questions were there?
so I think there were three questions in that also.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to collect the key and you have to reach the destination. But there will be some obstacles like some कुछ hindrance रहेगा हर एक grid के बीच में हर एक box के बीच में. So वो आपको identify you have to identify that obstacles and you have to make a path where there is no obstacle and you have to reach to the right destination.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like also easy. So
How did
everything is
you?
available on your channels.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
it
Okay.
is available.
Okay. Good. Okay. Next.
So next we have like
So you will. So
MCQ
in
based.
okay. So just one more question. So this cognitive will happen. Technical assessment. All these things will happen together, or like cognitive today and then tomorrow technical assessment. How it will happen?
No sir,
Hmm.
no sir. Communication round was separate,
Uh-huh.
but these all things happened same day. Okay, so if you get failed in this game based round, so
Mm-hmm.
you will get rejected.
Okay.
Okay, instant elimination will be there. You cannot move further if you
Okay.
will not achieve the threshold marks or
Mhm.
whatever the passing marks is there. You will get rejected. If you will pass that, you will move to the technical MCQ based assessment. So
Okay.
here the questions will be from pseudocode, like
Mm-hmm.
some pseudocode will be there regarding to
Correct.
programming.
Correct.
Okay, MS Office questions will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so some cloud computing questions were there. Computer networking and cyber security type question, one or two was there, and
Okay.
one, two, or three. I have remember operating system also. Some questions was there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it will be based upon the computer
Yeah.
fundamental.
Computer fundamentals. Yes.
So,
Yes.
so it is like MCQ. So there will be only 45 questions, and you have 45 minutes to uh,
Okay. Solve it.
make it. Okay,
Okay.
to solve it.
Okay. Fine.
And after that you have coding round. So okay, after passing that round, basically in this MCQ round no one will get
Rejected.
disqualified.
The
So you will
questions will
move
not be very tough, right?
not be very tough, sir. You can you can think about that and you can make it very easily. Like it's based upon the hit and trial method. You can also apply. You have to eliminate the wrong answer,
Mm-hmm.
and you can easily interpret which is the right answer.
Correct.
And next we have coding round.
Mm-hmm.
So this is very critical round. So it has a more weightage, I think. So there will be one coding question. So it will be also basic to medium level questions. So I think a string manipulation like questions were there, so I don't have remembered exactly, but it was question related to a string.
Mm-hmm.
something like that. So,
Mm-hmm.
but it will be scenario based question. So, okay, according to the scenario, you have to solve the questions.
Mm-hmm.
So, one coding question will be there, and after that, SQL question will be there. One SQL question will be there. It will be also. It was for me. It was for join. Like you
Okay.
have to do the right join, and a schema will be given there. So you have to consider, and you have to write the code.
Okay.
And
If I
the
ask you,
next question,
okay, so I just wanted to know. So, Cognizant exam have you written anytime?
yes, sir. Tell me.
Cognizant exam have you written anytime?
Yes, sir, written, but I get rejected in aptitude that
Okay,
time.
no problem. So that SQL questions and all, like you, if you would have prepared, it will be similar to like how it was asked in Accenture.
Yes, sir, same only. Like I have asked with my Cognizant friend who got placed, so they told the same question. Like two question was there, I think, in Cognizant.
Correct,
So one
correct.
question was basic select query. You have to select a star from the given employee table, and one question was from joins. Okay, so there also I think they have to do some right join or left join they told. So it was easy level question.
Okay, okay,
So
correct, correct. Okay, next,
and
yeah.
it next HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They will give some code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and they will give some scenario, three scenario. What the changes you have to perform in HTML, where like it will be. I did not do this because I don't have idea about this, so
Mm-hmm.
I just written whatever I know.
One question from
So,
HTML, CSS, and Java. How many questions?
three questions were there, sir. You have to write some tags in HTML,
Mm-hmm.
similar like into CSS part and similar like into JavaScript part.
Okay,
You have to write based upon the scenario, whatever they have given.
okay,
So this is all about coding. So there will be 60 minutes of time for this all coding. So
okay,
individual timing will be also there for each and every.
okay,
60 minutes is there for to complete everything.
okay, great.
Okay. So after that, if you will get passed in these all, so after few days, after few weeks, we got the mail for communication round.
Mm-hmm.
So I have watched more tutorials on YouTube. They are telling like this is not the elimination round, but actually it happens to that elimination round in our college. So
Mm-hmm.
whoever, it was very hard. Like if a pop-up is coming to the screen, so they are getting rejected. Some unusual activity is going is detected like that.
So communication round was
So,
happening happened from your home, and this all rounds happened.
huh,
Hmm.
no, these all coding round, cognitive round, and this technical round, it's happened to the college office, whatever
Okay.
the placement office we have. So
Mm-hmm.
there we have written these all exams,
Mm-hmm.
and this communication round was like you can attend it from anywhere, whatever the place you want.
Okay,
So
okay,
there is
okay.
no problem, but there should be a clear environment or no background
Mm-hmm.
noise or nothing should be there.
Mm-hmm.
And it is also like some like you will the student will get problem while hearing the different types of foreign voice, so it is not detectable. It's like we Indians speak our Indian
Yeah,
accent English, but
accent.
sometimes it will be Britain English, Italian English, and American accent, so it will be not detected. But it is not that if you will correct, if you will correct like two or three questions also in a for you. And maximum they will, I think they are considering the read and speak. So they will check your fluency. Okay. So, and storytelling was there, one
Mm-hmm.
question in
Mm-hmm.
communication round. And
Okay,
email writing. At the end, you have to write email based upon the given scenario. So
okay,
this is all about the communication round, sir. After that, if you will get selected, means you will be called for the interview. There is HR after that. So in HR round, there will
technical
be
round is not there. Only HR round.
no, sir. No, sir. For Accenture, there is no technical round. They will, I think, check everything in this round only. So
Okay.
HR round will be there.
Mm-hmm.
So I will tell, sir, like based upon the candidates or interviewer, it depends.
Mm-hmm.
Like for me, around 15 minutes, there were only HR round questions like how you are a team player, how you are solving conflict between your team,
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, what will be the good quality of a leader, so what the things he need to consider, and
Mm-hmm.
some questions like that. Okay, so how you will tackle what the sacrifice you have did for your two teammates. So
Mm-hmm.
questions like that. Okay, and some general question like for me, he has asked what is the meaning of innovation. So I given some random, like at that time I just think like innovation is nothing to invent new. So to make some changes in existing thing and to represent it into a better way. So this is called innovation. And I have given one example of wheel. Like in ancient time, that wheel has been invented, and using that human civilization has changed and make into the car and cycle by cycle. So this is innovation. I given that example. And after that, the behavior that around this all behavioral type questions completed. So he asked me about software development life cycle. So he told me like, do you have any idea about SDLC or agile methodologies? So agile methodology, a Scrum or a Sprint. So I have I have learned this into my subject like software engineering. So I have written this into my notebook. So I have remembered something. So I just given like there is a 7 phases in software development life cycle. Like first we are analyzing the problem. After that, designing, development, and writing the code. And after that, testing phase is coming. Software and software testing cycle is happening. After that, deployment and maintenance. And after that, I told like agile methodologies are used by the recent companies nowadays. It is very famous in these all companies, service based companies, or any other companies. They are using this. It is based upon the customer feedback. So what the customer feedback will give in next iteration, they will try to improve. And I told like that, like I told, I have remember like a Scrum is the like it's like adding ingredients to the agile methodology, like dividing task into 2 to 4 weeks of a sprint, and within that sprint they are completing some. Like whatever the aim they are taking to complete some parts, like dividing the small project into some individual part. I have given these lectures up to like 4 to 5 minutes. So he told at the end, so it was a very good explanation. So I was not
Okay.
expecting there. This was very. He told in beginning itself. So it is optional question for you. It will not affect your selection. So, but I know this. I told sir, I am just trying. I have some basic knowledge, so I have explained this up to this. After that, he just explained about his family, and at the same time I given my personal information to him. So after that, he told me, "Okay, Rahul. So this is the things I had. So I had asked everything to you. So do you have any questions for me?" So I asked 2 questions. First question was like, "Sir, what will be the uh, things new joiners should consider or to learn before joining the Accenture?" So first question I asked this, and after that I asked second question like, what will be the growth opportunity if a fresher is going to join the Accenture? So he has given the answer for both questions. So like you should have to be prepare the basic things. Like you should have a better understanding about any one programming language. So if I am asking anything into one programming language, it should be Java, C++, or Python. So you should have to touch that point. Okay, you should have a knowledge about that. Okay, so it will make you better to sustain in the company. So one programming language you should have to be zero to hero. And he told you should have a good understanding about DBMS, like database management system, and you should have a good understanding about SQL queries like DTL, DML, and whatever the TCL and DCL is coming up. So you should have a good understanding about that. If I am giving any scenario, so you can write a queries related to that. And he told you should have a good knowledge about computer fundamentals like operating system, like basic knowledge you should have.
Correct, correct,
Then
correct.
it will be very useful in the company point of view. So
Okay.
after that interview completed, and I was very happy, and finally result came.
Good man, good. So, uh, congratulations once again. Thanks,
Thank you
Rahul.
so much,
Then,
sir.
definitely this video will help other people to understand like the pattern and how they should prepare, and they will be also prepared for the interview, and this will definitely going to help a lot. Thanks once again for coming to our platform and guiding
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir. I like face-to-face interaction
us.
with you. Like it is
So,
pleasure to me.
yeah, yeah, same here. So even we feel happy when students get selected and they come back to us.
Yes, sir.
No.
I will tell one thing, sir. Like your channel helped me. Like TCS result has not been released till now.
Mhm.
But your channel help us to get more tricky, like how to attend a question in a tricky manner. Like aptitude, like for engineering students, they are not focusing more on the aptitude and these all things. But this is very critical things, I will say, for the engineers. Like if aptitude will not make you to crack the interview, but it will develop your like thinking ability, like how you can think for a problem into to solve it into a within short or to solve it using any trick. So it is I was watching your channel since third year.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, for TCS only. So, and for Accenture, I also get to know sometimes you have uploaded some, like this will be the pattern of the upcoming Accenture exam. This will be the game-based questions. So recently, I was watching these all things, and finally the best day came, and
Thank
now
you.
I am
Thanks
happy.
for your feedback, man. So definitely, we will keep working hard as much as possible,
Mm.
and you guys, you know, get a very good job. That's what we wanted. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's so okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks.